All right, Great Lake Silver stacking community, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the packaging, today we are gonna do a little bit of an unboxing from the United States Mint. It's the 2021 American Eagle 1 ounce silver reverse proof 2-coin set designer edition. There has been some controversy or some drama with this particular set. I know the packaging has been something to be improved. There's been a lot of complaints from the United States Mint customers about the packaging. Although I don't really mind the box on this. It's not necessarily, bad or anything. It's just a box. When I did take this out of the packaging from the United States Mint, the original shipping box, this was wrapped in probably, I don't know, it was wrapped in a very big sheet of paper multiple times, so that way they would avoid some of the problems that people are having with this. However, when I did unbox this, there was no styrofoam protectors in there like I got with my previous coins and the 2-coin 1/10 ounce designer gold set. But here's the box. There's the product code 21XJ. These have been decreasing in value on the secondary market. I think these started at around $450, and I have been selling the excess ones that I have received. They started at about $280, and now they're down to $250 is what I sell them to the dealer, and then they wholesale them. I've got a couple more I'm waiting on. Hopefully I can get above $225 for the remaining sets I have to sell. I am keeping an additional set for myself to get graded. There's the black on black. Can't really see it that well. But this also is the last set from the Mint director, David Ryder. I believe his last day was October 1st. So this marks the last set that was shipped before he resigned. Here's the certificate of authenticity. It's from the West Point and San Francisco Mints. Really beautiful looking COA, pretty big as well. And then here's the actual coins themselves. So some of the problems people were having was these capsules were not sealed and pressed properly. So they would actually come loose from their capsules. I haven't seen any damage from loose capsules yet, so there is still a chance they could get a high grade if they sent them in for grading. There's the Type 1. That frost finish is absolutely beautiful. Very reminiscent of the 2019 Enhance reverse proof. Although, like I said, these are not really holding the value right now. I think it's because as people get them, they're flooding them on the secondary market. And I got this one probably 2.5 weeks ago at this point. And if I would have sold this, I would have gotten probably top dollar. But there's the Type 2, the San Francisco Mint mark. I really like the look of the Type 2 on the reverse proof, but the classic of the Type 1 just, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. But here they are. Like I said, I will be getting more of these in, and I will be flipping them. Hopefully they will retain their value. I am going to keep one set for grading. However, if it doesn't come back a 70, I'll probably just break them out of the slab and just keep them, or I'll sell them. Or maybe I'll just sell this one. I don't know. But beautiful looking coins. This definitely is the coin set to get for 2021. Hopefully the value goes back up slightly. But if not, still amazing coins. I don't typically get the numismatic stuff to keep. I just get it to sell, but this is definitely one set I am going to hold on to. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a like and share. If you want to follow along with my stack progress, please consider subscribing to the channel. And be sure to check out all of the affiliate links in the description below. That greatly helps the channel grow. Like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.